In this video, I'm going to show you how to add more properties on your website. Once you log in, you are taken to your dashboard. This is your dashboard. From the left, there's going to be one that's called products. You would simply click or hover your mouse over products, all products. From here, you're able to see any current property that's currently listed on your site. So as you can see here from a quick view, you're able to see the price, the category, and a quick picture and thumbnail and address of that location. Now, the easiest way to add a new product is to duplicate a property that's already there. So for example, we want to duplicate, let's say this one, okay? You will hover your mouse over the product and click duplicate. Once you're taken to the following screen, from here you're able to change the address or the title. So for example, I will go ahead and click here and I'll just put 999. And then obviously just simply you will click on here and change any information that you want. So for example, if you were to change the parcel number, you will simply click over it, and that's normal. Just click on any section and delete. Okay. Now there's also other options here, like for example, you could change the color of the text if you want. If you want this to be bold, you have that option here. So for example, let's say once we scroll down, it's going to tell you the price. So the regular price, you will simply click whatever the property is. So if you want to make the down payment to be 125, 100, 75 or other, this is the section you would do it. Okay, and as you continue to scroll down, here's another section of information. Now notice that there's two types of information. Okay, so let's go to your website and we go to properties, and now let's go ahead and click on the $100 lots. Now notice that there's only one at this time. So notice how here's some information here, just a very limited information, while this section is this right here, the bottom, okay? So you could just make this a little bit bigger. So this is information that will be displayed up here. Now, you could copy this and paste it there if you want, but totally optional. Now, this information here, the property details, it's actually just scroll down. So here's the description. Notice that it's more information. The reason why it's down here is because sometimes you don't want so much information here that you're gonna scare the customer off and not them buy it. That's why you always want to keep it very minimal here. So you know the call to action is add to cart. So that's what you want. You want to just give them a small information and the option to add to cart. Now, but again, it's totally up to you. You could add more content here if you want. So you would just go here. Now here is the product image. So this is the image that will be displayed here. Okay. So now let's say you want to remove it. You will simply click remove. Okay. And then to add one, you would simply click add. Now from here, you could either A, select one from your current media, or two, you could simply upload your own file from your files or whatever. So that's how you do it. Or you could just drag the image, excuse me, add the image here. Okay, so for this example, I'm just going to select one and click set to property. Now, let's say we have multiple images for this product. You could simply click product gallery. Okay, and then same thing, upload an image, or you could simply add as many other images as you like. Okay, so as you can see, and always click this blue button, add to gallery. Okay, so as you notice, there's a few other images here. Okay, now the other most important part is in what category is this property going to be in. So this is how it's going to be organized on your website. So you could simply say this is going to be on the $100 down payment gallery or category, or 150, 125. So you'll simply check wherever you want this property to be listed at. Okay, yes, you could select multiple categories, and this property will be listed at any category you selected or mark, I should say. So in this instance, we're just going to say 125. Okay. And that's it. Once you're done, you could simply click publish, and those changes will, this property will instantly go live on the site. So now to view the product, I could simply click here, and now I could see view it. Okay. And notice how here's the little images that we added at the bottom. See? So, and here's the information. So as you can see, is that simple. Now, let's say we want to edit this product, okay? When you're logged into your site, you're going to see this black bar. That indicates that you're logged in currently to your site. You could simply click the edit product, or you could simply go to all properties. And what this happens, what this does is just takes you to that property listing. See? So let's say, for example, here's the one that we created. I will simply click edit. So this is if you want to make changes to the site or to that current property. And again, here's where you will make those changes. Change the price if you want, the images, more details, and that's it. Once you're done making those changes, always click this update button. Once you click the update button, the changes will go into effect on your site. Okay, so for this case, I'm just gonna throw it in the trash. So I'm gonna go move to trash. Okay, and when I do that, it will automatically remove it from my site. So that's it. There's nothing to it. So all you're gonna do is click and duplicate one, and just change the title. So title here, description here, price, additional description, image, the category, publish. That's it. The site will automatically make those changes for you and upload it to the correct category.